Alright guys, welcome again to another Giant Launchpad tutorial video. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to unstake your staked Giant token. It's quite easy and I'm going to show you how that works. Very simple and very fast. So without further ado, let's go straight. So make sure, once again, what I told you, always make sure you're connected to the right wallet, right? Always make sure you are connected. Always make sure you're connected to the right. So remember what I told you guys, always make sure you're connected to the right wallet. Make sure it's the wallet that you use in staking that you're connected to. If it's a different wallet that you're connected to, you're gonna have issue. So verify it and make sure you're connected to that same right wallet. In this wallet, I have $40 worth of Giant token, right? So, and that is it. So you click connect wallet. MetaMask, find your wallet as always. I'm using MetaMask, so I connect with MetaMask, and then I give it approval, and voila, I'm in. All right. Remember what I told you, the three currency that is used in the Giant Launchpad is Giant Token, Binance, and USDT. So we go straight to our earning, and remember, we staked 120 GTAN, which of course they took some part of our GTAN because of the gas fees. Because of the fees. So we'll go straight to the earning. So my earning now. Remember your authenticator. Make sure your authenticator is active, right? Make sure it is active. This is very important for you to know. So make sure it is very much active, because without the authenticator you will not be able to access your earning. If you're trying to withdraw, it's going to ask you for your authenticator pin, and without those pin you can't be able to access your earnings. So when you click on the earning, so you go to my earnings, and then we're going to see what we stake. So we staked 120 GTAN. Staked amount, after they took their percentage, staked amount we got was what was actually staked was around 16.4 GTAN. Then the interest rate, this is the interest rate, 0.1% that I'm going to be earning from what I've staked. So right now I can unstake it. So stake creating time, details are here, time it expired here and everything. So I can just click on stake. So let's do that. So make sure you get your authenticator app ready so that you'll be able to just unstake easily without having much problem. So you click on stake. Then it's going to ask you to verify your TFA. So I'm going to put my TFA code. So without this, you're not going to be able to unstake. This is a security measure because I was successful. Okay, so what did I earn? Stake reward, I earned 0.1, which is good. Remember, these are testing stuff, right? Receive the reward is 0.1. Okay, let's see. So we're gonna unstake them. So sometimes you might get error. If you get error, just refresh, just try it again. It just goes through. So we click the unstake, and we're expecting the pop-up. Here is it, transaction request. So we are receiving this. Wow, we're receiving +1 this. So of course what we staked was quite small, that's why. So confirm. Make sure you have some gas fee for your BNB, just a little amount of money. See, we've received it, so it worked perfectly, and that is it. We have unstaked. So that is it. We have unstaked. So this was what we got. Daily reward that we got. So it was not much, but that was it. So if there was an emergency on stake, you see it here, flexible, unstaked. So we've already unstaked this, so it's completed, it's successful. So, and that is all you need to know about. All right, so, and that is it. So what was staked was 120 GTAN. This is a percentage 0.1. Unstaked amount was 115. So the reason why you saw that amount was because of the charges too that was also withdrawn from what we staked. So the fees, and that is it. So what we received was 111. Deflation fee, this was the fee that we were charged, but everything is working perfectly as it ought to. So, and that is it. So we've already unstaked, so forget about this already. So guys, see you some other time at Giant Launchpad tutorial. Shalom.